Hi, my name is Neo. I am your really virtual trainer. To get started, we want to be sure your headset is properly fitted. In front of you is some text. Adjust your headset as you were instructed to make the text as sharp and clear as possible. Once you have finished fitting your headset, just say I'm ready.
I'm ready.
To get started, we need to calibrate virtual reality with the real world. It is easy. First, put your hands in the 9 and 3 o'clock positions of the steering wheel. You can't actually see the real steering wheel, so you will need to feel for it. While you do this, make sure you are looking at your hands. If one of your hands disappear, that means I have lost sight of it, and you will need to lift your hands up in front of your face and wiggle your fingers. Once both hands appear, place them back on the steering wheel at the 9 and 3 o'clock positions. In the future, you can say skip while I am guiding you through calibration, and I will stop speaking for that step. Great. Now that you have your hands in position, just say hand set and we'll go to the next step.
Hand set.
Put the palm of your right palm on the forward reverse stick and the controller will align with your hand. Adjust your hand until what you see matches what you feel. When you are ready, just say, hand set.
Hand set.
Please verify that everything is properly aligned for you. If so, say calibration complete. If you need to recalibrate, just say start over.
Calibration complete.
Excellent. Baby Yoda. You have completed calibration. Welcome to Really Virtual's Real Forklift Basic Training. Stay frosty.